Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back. Whew. 2 Intuitive 144 Tarot. We're going to see what's the message. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It's cloudy out here where I'm at. I don't know whether they call for rain or what. But you'll see what's the message. Jump right into it, okay? What's the message, Spirit? We got family room and it came out in reverse. There could have been like some type of secrets or some type of talk or gossip that got out. You could have heard about some type of gossip or secret. Someone, like there could be like family and friends gathering in someone's home, doing a lot of talking, doing a lot of gossip. But whatever this gossip or talk is, it could have been exposed, it could have got out, okay? This way, like family and friends, they go to someone particular home and all they do is talk about a main female. Yep. And you have child, mature woman, official person, and privileged lady. Okay. So there's some type of talk or gossip. And for a lot of you guys, you could be this main female, this official person, and this privileged lady energy. There could be a mature woman, like an older woman, a mother, a grandmother, someone that's talking or gossiping about some type of glow up, great fortune that you may have, or what you're about to come into here. Wow, and then I see community sticking out right here. So there could be like a whole group, a whole community, family and friends speaking about, gossiping about your great fortune. Okay? Give me more of this, Spirit. Mature man, wealthy man. This is like a father figure. Okay? This could be your father or someone's grandfather, but there's a mature man here. Wealthy man. This mature man could be a wealthy man. And I seen the wealthy woman. Okay? So for some of you guys, you could be married to this wealthy man or mature man. Official person and privileged lady. Yeah, great fortune. And then you have this mature woman. So for some of you guys, this could be like if it's not you, if you're not married, this could be like a father figure and a mother figure that's doing a lot of talking and gossiping. Give me more on this, Spirit. Thoughts. Someone constantly has you on their mind. They are constantly thinking about you. Okay? This masculine energy here. About some type of ending. High honors and some type of change. And main male here, adjudication and a gift. Let me tell you something. This has something to do with a marriage. Okay? This could have something to do with a death. And this is not going to be for everyone. In my previous video For some of you guys, you already know that I experienced a loss. My husband passed away. Okay, so I'm included in this collective reading as well. Okay, but this is not going to be for everybody. Okay, there's some type of change that's happening in someone's life here. Okay, there is like someone could be going to court. A main male could be going to court. Okay, and it has something to do with a gift that's supposed to go to you. Okay, and then you have thief and marriage here. So if you lost someone, and it's not going to be for everybody, I send my deepest condolences to you. Okay, but if you haven't lost someone, you could be simply just in separation from your husband, your wife, or your partner here. Okay, there's some type of court situation that's going on. I feel like there's something that belongs to you, something that is owed to you, a gift. Okay, you're supposed to have or receive this gift that's going to put you in a better position, that's going to have you making some type of changes in your life due to some type of passing or some type of ending here. Okay, and there's someone here that's constantly thinking about you. Give me more on this, Spirit. Woo! Imprisonment. Someone could be locked up, physically locked up. Okay? There could be a masculine energy that's locked up with expectation and pathway. So there could be like whoever this masculine is, it's like they could be waiting. It's something that they are expecting. They could be waiting on a bail review if someone is locked up. They could be expecting to get out. They could be doing a lot of thinking. They could be all up in their head. Okay, they could be going through some type of mental imprisonment here. Like, with expectation and pathway, like someone trying to get out, want to get out of jail. Yeah, and then you have house, okay, that represents some type of organization. So there's definitely a masculine that could be in jail or locked up, waiting to get out, expecting to get out. And there's a message of concern. So for someone, that's not going to be for everyone, you might receive some type of message, phone call, some type of communication about a masculine being locked up, okay? Give me more on this, Spirit. Oh, pathway came out in reverse here. Somebody is not getting out of jail. Wow. Whatever somebody was hoping for or expecting, it did not go in their favor, is what I'm getting. Okay? Someone's birthday could be May the 2nd, May the 12th, May the 16th, May the 29th, May the 13th. Someone could be 35. Someone could be 29. But whatever somebody was expecting, it's not happening. And it's for a masculine energy here. And you have sudden wealth here. Courthouse. Bad health. There could definitely be some type of inheritance coming into someone's life here. Give me more on this, Spirit. Someone can feel trapped. Someone can feel like they don't have no way out. I told you, there's something that's coming in for someone, unexpected income here. Okay? So for some of you guys, everybody messages and timelines are different. Okay? Past, present, and future. There's a masculine in your energy, a masculine that you know that could be currently locked up, okay? They was expecting some type of news to come through for them. They was expecting to get out, but they are not getting out, at least not right now, okay? There is some type of unexpected income that's coming to someone. And you do have main female here. And there's a lot of gossiping and talk about your unexpected income, about your fortune, your inheritance here, okay? Yeah, there's a lot of concern. Like, someone is in their head, someone is in their feelings. This could be someone at a distance, a false person that's in despair. And it could be this masculine energy, okay, that's in despair, that's going through a lot. That could be at a distance from you, okay? Let me see. Secret lover. Give me more on this message, Spirit. What is this secret or gossip that's been discussed or talked about in this family room in reverse? What is this? Okay. These cards are so slippery. What is this family room in reverse? Health concern, okay? So there could be some type of talk about someone bad health, okay? Someone could be talking about someone is not at their best. They're not doing well here. There also could be some type of talk about traveling. You could be traveling. You could be booking your flights, booking your hotel, okay? Traveling to different cities and states or countries, getting your passport stamped, okay? So there could be multiple discussions, okay, in this family room. In someone's living room, dining room, there's a lot of discussion going on and taking place here. Okay? Give me something on this main female, Spirit. You have commitment. These are a lot of cards. I'm not going to take them all. But just like I said, it has something to do with a marriage. Okay, someone is currently married. Okay, so whoever this main female is, she is married. And then you also have twin flame here. Okay. Boss, divinity, and awakening here. Someone could be having some type of conversation or gossiping about this marriage, who you was committed to, okay? How a lot of you guys are becoming awakening, how you are in your divine energy, and how you are out here being a boss, making boss moves. So I'm telling you, here's something to do about what you are coming into when it comes to this income, this great fortune here. Yeah. Yeah, divine feminine. Yep. That's the talk. They could be talking about, for some of you guys, if you are currently getting a divorce or your spouse passed away, you could be receiving some type of, money, insurance money, or whatever, alimony, child support. They are talking about what you are receiving from this marriage or commitment, some type of commitment that you was in. Give me something on this mature man. Ooh. Bondage came out in reverse, okay? So this mature man has no type of like bondage to you or to someone here, okay? Maybe in the past or once upon a time there was some type of commitment or connection, but with this bondage coming out in reverse, okay, like I said, maybe it's due to some type of passing or separation. So you and someone else no longer have that connection anymore. Yeah, your twin flame keeps showing up. Yeah, this is someone that you was connected to in a commitment with here. Okay? Wealthy man spirit. Animal. Death magic. So someone send a wealthy man some type of death magic? I'm going to clarify this with the regular tarot. Because either this wealthy man sending death magic or somebody send death magic to this wealthy man. And it could be whoever you was involved with. Yeah. There's definitely some type of family that's involved here. There's some type of family here that's going through some type of karma. They feel like you are their opposition because of some type of money or funds that you are coming into or already received here. Wow. It's like they could be hoping and praying that they receive something from you, or hoping and praying that you would give to them. Wow. Give me more on this, Spirit. What's his thoughts? Rich guy. House. Nice guy. Karmic femme. I'm not going to take all of them, but I'm going to take the first call on top, rich guy. So this rich guy is this wealthy man, okay, that's constantly thinking about you and always got you on their mind, okay? And whoever this masculine energy is a nice guy, but you have a karmic feminine energy here. That's in the middle of something. Whoever this karmic energy is, this karmic feminine energy is. Faith again. Yeah, a lot of you guys have a wealthy man here that got their eyes on you, watching you, always on their mind. Okay? This could be your partner, okay? Or this could be somebody else, because I know everybody's situation is different. What is this imprisonment, Spirit? Imprisonment. Thief in reverse. So I'm getting this guy, whoever this energy is, they could be currently locked up because of something that they stole or because of what they was accused of. They could have been accused of something that they did not do, is what I'm getting. Yeah, intuitive cave and priestess. High honor. Someone could be like in the army, the navy. They could have served here. Okay. Jealousy and envy of this rich girl. Now here you go. We got rich guy and now you have rich girl. And I see this Jezebel spirit over here. There could be a Jezebel, the feminine energy that's jealous of you, collective. Okay? Because of what you building or creating for yourself here. Someone is very jealous and envious of you. And whoever that's in, okay, because a lot of you guys are stepping into your power, stepping into your own here. Okay? They see you in high honors, being celebrated, receiving your recognition here. And there's some jealous, envious person, karmic feminine, Jezebel, that's hating on you here. A lot of you guys could be very intuitive here. And whoever that's in this house, home, that's doing a lot of gossip or talking, they could be experiencing some type of bad health here. There could be some type of health concern here. I'm really getting someone could be locked up for false allegation. Someone could have been accused of stealing or taking from someone. With this thief card coming out in reverse. What's this pathway in reverse, Spirit? Bliss. So because of whatever this false narrative or false allegation may be, with bliss coming out on pathway in reverse, there's a strong possibility eventually someone will get out. Okay? There's a strong possibility here. It's like once somebody proved their case or gain some type of evidence on this wrongdoing, someone will be very happy. Someone could be getting released here. Give me something on unexpected income, Spirit. Like I said, rest in peace transition. Someone is receiving unexpected income due to some type of passing of a spouse or a loved one here. Okay? Yes. And there's a lot of evil eye. Okay? That could be coming from a mature man that's constantly thinking about you, always on their mind with this Ice Queen. So there's a masculine and a jealous ass feminine energy here that's jealous of what you are about to obtain, what you are about to receive here due to a passing or separation. Like this person, this Ice Queen is constantly thinking about you, always got you on their mind. And then you have a damn older man here that's sending you the evil eye. Now, this could be your father. This could be your partner father, someone that's older. There's a masculine and a feminine here that's jealous of you, hating on you. With this commitment, merge or partnership here. There's a mature man that wanted to keep you in some type of bondage, but it's not happening. Okay? This energy could have been sending you some type of death magic. And what's so crazy is this death magic came out in the last reading. Okay? They had something to do with somebody's family and or lover, a masculine energy here in the last reading. And it's kind of like coming out again with this masculine energy here. Okay? For some of you guys, someone could actually did death magic on this masculine that caused some type of death here. Evil eye. These damn people just don't get enough. They really don't. Let me see. Any more messages on this spirit? What is this health concern coming from this family room? Ooh. Wow. 2 cards. 10 of Cups in reverse. And 3 of Wands in reverse. This definitely can be, and no can be, it's family. It's family, okay? Oh, child. 10 of Cups in reverse is a karmic family. Karmic family, okay? They can't move on. They can't move forward. There's nothing coming in for them. So now all they doing is gossiping about you, talking about what you had going on when it comes to your marriage, your relationship, your partnership, talking about what you got coming in, talking about this, that, and the third. Shorty, like, damn. So they jealous and hating on you because with this 3 of Wands, there is no forward movement. There is no ships coming in for their asses. They are stuck. Okay? They are stuck having real bad health concerns. They worrying about the wrong shit here. Okay? Yeah, look, judgment. This karmic family is under judgment. I'm telling you, because of this 2 of Cups situation, because of what type of commitment or partnership that you was in, I'm telling you, what is this main female in commitment spirit? Knight of Coins. It's something about you are about to receive something. Something is about to be given to you. Okay? With the 9 of Coins, yes, this is the slowest knight in the deck. Slow and steady wins the race. Regardless, something might be coming in slow for you, but eventually you are going to receive it. Eventually you are going to get it regardless. Okay? Look, I'm telling you, you about to receive this 10 of Coins, shorty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're about to receive your moolah. You're about to receive this inheritance. It could have came in very slow, but it's coming. While this karmic family and friends discussing you and talking about you, they are under judgment. Okay? Give me something on this mature man. Spirit with bondage in reverse. This mature man. What's this? It say the Star here. Okay? Whoever this mature man, it could be your father or father figure. That could be healing. This could be someone that's in the spotlight because you do have wealthy man here. This mature man and wealthy man could be one energy. Okay, so this could be like a celebrity. This could be somebody that's well known. Okay, this could be someone, you know, that's in the spotlight here. This Star energy. Queen of Cups. the Ace of Cups, the Eight of Cups. This is a lot of cups. Seven of Cups, Three of Cups. Baby, this is a lot of emotions. Okay? Love, feelings. Walking away from things that no longer serve you. This is the energy that a lot of you guys are currently in, and it's Queen of Cups energy. Ace of Cups, about to receive some type of new love, real love, walking away from things that no longer serve you. With the Seven of Cups, you could, you know, there could have been a lot of confusion, a lot of illusions here, okay? With the Empress, there's about to be, a lot of you guys are about to be out here celebrating with family and friends, or celebrating by yourself, because you got some hating ass, karmic ass friends and family over here, okay? That's hating on you. Spirit, what is this wealthy man with this death magic? Clarify this, please. Page of Wands. Excuse me, Knight of Coins here. Yeah, whoever this wealthy man is very stable, very abundant, very grounded. There could be some type of incoming news coming in for this wealthy man. Okay? Or you're about to find out some type of news when it comes to this masculine energy. Like, with this Nine of Coins over top of this death magic, it's giving like someone could have paid someone to do some type of death magic. Ooh, in my right hand is itching. I hope that's some money. Okay? I'm hoping that's some money. Yeah, the Sun card. Something is about to be illuminated, okay? Whatever that's about to come out, about to have somebody in their feelings with the Five of Cups. Collective, I'm telling you, you're about to find out about something or what somebody was doing behind the scenes. Something is about to be illuminated. Whatever that was kept secret, it's about to come out and about to have somebody all up in their head and in their feelings. Whatever this information is that's about to come out, wow. Crying over spilled milk, crying over a loss. Something, yeah, somebody is about to find out about something. About the Knight of Wands. With the Chariot. Someone could have been in their player energy or was a player. This could be someone that was for the streets. And with the Chariot here, this could have something to do with a vehicle. Seven of Wands to the Three of Swords. Yeah. Someone is about to find out some type of truth concerning a masculine. With the Three of Swords, it's given this about to hurt someone to their core. This is about to hurt somebody, break somebody's heart. Whatever this information is, whatever somebody done, Whatever someone was trying to, like, take from you, steal from you, whatever, yo, some type of information is about to come out. Something's about to be revealed to someone. What's this rich guy? Thoughts, energy, spirit. My right hand is still itching. What is this, spirit? Ooh, don't hold that one to come out. Rich guy, clarify this rich guy and thoughts. Yeah, someone is about to receive or already received some type of unexpected income due to a loss or a death here. Let's do the cards. Rich guy, spirit. Dang it. Spirit said, hold up. I got a lot to tell you. I just need one card, spirit. Yeah, Tower in reverse. This person was refusing to make some type of changes in their life. This masculine energy, this rich guy, wealthy man energy was refusing to make some type of changes. They was refusing to take some type of accountability here. Yeah, Page of Swords. It's like they was trying to find, some type of information on you. They was looking into you, collective. They was trying to find something on you. They was researching you. Okay? This masculine energy was literally trying to find something on you or about you here. But with the Strength card and the Six of Swords, you moved away from these energies or energy. Like you moving away into calmer waters here. You gain some type of strength. For some of you guys, you could have already found out already about what this family or masculine energy was doing. And you took yourself out of that equation, okay? Because you already knew they was on bullshit. Yeah, the Ten of Swords, some type of betrayal here. It's something that you endured. It's something that these karmic energies done to you. There was some type of major betrayal here. You get Seven of Swords. Ten of Swords, Seven of Swords. Someone deceived you. And this Emperor. Look at this shit here. The Emperor to the Seven of Coins. This is someone that you invested with. Like I said, for some of you guys, you was married or in some type of partnership. There was an Emperor here. Someone that you invested your time with, okay, that betrayed you, deceived you, stole from you, lied to you, being non-committal to you, and you decide to move away into calmer waters here. Father, what is, Holy Spirit, what is this thief card? And imprisonment. What is this? This thief in reverse. The King of Swords in reverse. Okay? Who child? This could be a Libra. This could be an air sign. This could be someone that's like very arrogant. Very like controlling energy here. This is someone that refuses to get their shit together. This is someone that could even spread lies on you, gossip about you, gaslighted you. This could have been a narcissistic energy here. This is someone that's like mentally fucked up. with this imprisonment here. This could be someone that's currently locked up or in jail or something. Eight of Swords here. Yeah. Some type of mental imprisonment. Fears. Constantly in their head. Constantly overthinking things. This energy here with the Four of Coins. Refusing to let something go. Holding on to something very close to their heart here. With the Two of Wands. This is someone that was stuck. This is someone that had a big ass fucking ego. Okay? Full of pride. This is a very stuck energy. What's this bliss and pathway in reverse, Spirit? Woo! That flew out. Woo-wee. Wow. It's a Empress. This is Empress coming out in reverse. This person was definitely in low vibrational ass energy here. This is someone that was not using their intuition. Okay? This is someone that was a part of some type of dark cult. Okay? Some type of dark energy here. Wow. Tower in reverse, King of Swords in reverse, and an Empress in reverse. These energies could have been working together. I mean, you do have family up here. This could be a mother figure, this Empress in reverse. This could be someone that lost control of their path. This could be a envious, evil mother or mother-in-law. This could be this King of Swords mother. Both of them are fucking just low vibrational energies that was refusing to do the work, that was refusing to get on their right path, that was refusing to do the right thing here. Under judgment. Under judgment. I'm telling you, with the Lovers and the Six of Cups. A lot of you guys was involved with this King of Swords energy in reverse. Wow. What's this unexpected income and transition, Spirit? The Chariot in reverse. This could have been a very bad accident that led to someone's death. Or a type of rest in peace and transition. And this is where this unexpected income is coming from for you guys. Whoever this may resonate with in the collective. This could have been a very bad accident, motor vehicle accident that led to someone's death here. With the Queen of Cups and the Three of Swords. Yeah. The Sun card and the Five of Cups. Once you found out, Pisces, Cancer energy, okay? Once something was revealed to you, because you are in this Queen of Cups energy, it broke your heart to the core. And I'm starting to, like, I feel like this kind of like bits and pieces has something to do with me. Once you found out about this information that got revealed to you about who you was dealing with, involved with, married to, in a connection with, partnership with, it broke your heart to the core with this Three of Swords, to the Sun card, to the Five of Cups, that left you in nothing but grief, sadness, loss. Like, you, I know for a fact this was a major loss for me. Okay? But this took a toll on someone here once you found out this information. Yep. About this Knight of Wands. But what I'm getting is this person was under judgment. I'm getting this was their own demise. It's almost like this energy, this masculine energy, dug their own hole for themselves. That's what I'm getting. With this judgment here, that's what I'm getting with this Knight of Wands. Because this Knight of Wands definitely could have been non-committal. They could have been a player. They could have been very impulsive. This giving very impulsive behavior. Okay, a very, very flighty energy that caused their own demise here, that led to their own death. Okay, so because someone refused to do the work with Tower in reverse, someone refused to make changes in their lives here. Okay. And this could have been like a duo. A wicked ass mother or mother-in-law and their son. Both coming out in reverse. Okay? A family dynamic with the Ten of Cups in reverse. With the Three of Wands. There is no forward movement at all. And someone can definitely be in some type of, or have some type of bad health. There's a lot of gossip, a lot of lies, a lot of bullshit that's being said in someone's home. Excuse me. About this ending. About this death. About what you are receiving. About what is about to come to you with this unexpected income. Okay? They really thought, due to this merge or partnership that you was in with this King of Swords in reverse, they thought you was going to be bound to them. But with this bondage coming out in reverse, the devil is a liar. Okay? For a lot of you guys, you are the star. You are the it girl. You are the it guy. You ain't about to be bondage to no goddamn body. And that's why they probably really mad and upset. You don't owe them nothing. Okay? Absolutely nothing. And with this death magic right here, like I said, someone fell into their own demise. Someone dug their own hole. Okay? They did a lot of info on you. They could have been, if you had social media, they could have been spying on you, watching you, trying to dig up dirt on you. trying to get some type of information on you. Okay? Wishing down on you. Because a lot of you guys are in your Nine of Coins energy, Nine of Pentacles energy, very stable, very abundant, very successful, very grounded, independent. Okay? A lot of you guys could currently be single due to a loss or separation by default because of the situation and what occurred at hand. So now you are living your life. You are now stepping into your light. You are leveling up and doing what's best for you. So while these karmic family and friends still doing this, you still leveling up. And they have no other choice but to watch you. Okay? They have no other choice but to watch you. All because this is what they constantly doing, sending you the evil eye. Big mad. Why you mad, shorty? What you mad for? What you mad for? Okay? So this is the situation at hand. For a lot of you guys, this definitely was a mother and son duo. Whoever you was dealing with was on their best bullshit and dig their own grave. And then there was this wicked empress in reverse. The ringleader. The head Donna in charge. Let me tell you how this shit work for those of you who don't know. When you constantly do death magic, spells, wickedness, manipulations, voodoo, hoodoo, spiritual attacks, and depending on who you are, and I'm one of them, baby, I know I'm protected. This is what I know for a fact. I know I'm a chosen one. I know I'm an earth angel. And a lot of you guys are too. Do you not know that stuff will be reversed? When you on a higher vibration, right? I'm about to give you an example. Matter of fact, I can use me. I'm on a higher vibration, okay? And when somebody constantly throwing their wickedness to you, constantly talking bad on you, that's spell. What you speak, negativity on people, that's spell work. But when you vibing high, that shit gonna bounce off of you and go back to someone that's close to you, that's in that low vibrational energy, and they the one that's going to get touched by that. So you got to be very careful who you send magic, dark magic to. Because remember, this is a mother and son duo. This is a empress in reverse. This is a dark spiritualist. So when this bitch, and I'm going to call it what it is, this empress in reverse, was doing all this and sending all this magic to you, the high priest energy, it got sent to their son. So while they tried to hurt you, it got sent to their low vibrational ass son. Let's just keep it real. Death magic. And it got sent back to the closest to them that caused them to be 6 feet under. And I'm going to leave it as that. Everyone continue to be prayed up. Everyone continue to be safe. Everyone continue to be blessed. Even when you think the sun ain't shining, it's always shining, boo. So until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye.